Hey, fashion lovers! Today, we're diving into simple styling tricks that can completely transform your look. Whether you're dressing for work, a casual day out, or a special occasion, these tips will make your outfits look instantly more polished, chic, and put together without breaking the bank or overcomplicating your wardrobe. Let's start with the power of proportions. This is one of the easiest ways to elevate any outfit. Pairing oversized pieces with fitted ones instantly creates balance and sophistication. Think a baggy sweater with skinny jeans or wide-leg trousers with a tucked-in blouse. These contrasts make your outfit feel intentional and stylish rather than thrown together. Another trick is to play with length crop jackets, with high-waisted pants or long cardigans over fitted dresses. These small adjustments can completely change the silhouette and make your outfit look runway. Next up, let's talk about accessories. Accessories are like magic. They can completely transform even the simplest outfit. A statement belt can turn a basic dress into something extraordinary. Layered necklaces, delicate rings, or a bold watch can instantly add sophistication. Scarves, hats, and even structured handbags aren't just finishing touches, they're style statements. The trick is to choose accessories that enhance your outfit without overpowering it. Ask yourself, does this elevate the look? If yes, go for it. If not, keep it simple. Another styling trick is using color and patterns strategically. Playing with colors and mixing patterns is an easy way to refresh your wardrobe without buying anything new. You can pair neutrals with pops of bright colors or experiment with pattern mixing, stripes with florals, checks with polka dots, but always try to keep one color consistent so the look stays cohesive. Even small touches, like a bright pair of shoes, a patterned scarf, or a colorful bag, can instantly lift your outfit and make it look thoughtful and curated. Now, let's talk about fit and tailoring. Fit is everything. Even the most expensive clothes can look sloppy if they don't fit properly. A well-tailored blazer, hemmed pants, or adjusted sleeves can make your outfit look custom-made and polished. Don't underestimate the power of small alterations. They can completely elevate basic wardrobe staples and make everything look more expensive and intentional. Layering is another underrated trick that changes everything. Learning how to layer pieces effectively can make your outfit look more dynamic and stylish. Combine textures, think soft knits with structured jackets or silk shirts under chunky sweaters. Layering isn't just for warmth. It's a way to add depth, dimension, and personality to your outfit. And here's a styling secret many people overlook. Shoes can make or break your look. The right footwear doesn't just complement an outfit, it can completely transform it. Pointed-toe shoes elongate legs, sleek sneakers make casual outfits look polished, and ankle boots instantly add edge and sophistication. Don't underestimate the subtle power of footwear when styling your outfit. Finally, the ultimate trick is confidence. No matter how perfect your outfit is, the way you carry yourself can completely change how it's perceived. Stand tall, walk with purpose, and wear your outfit with pride. Confidence makes even the simplest look feel powerful, intentional, and effortlessly stylish. So, there you have it. Simple styling tricks that really do change everything. Play with proportions, accessorize smartly, experiment with color and patterns. Pay attention to fit, master layering, choose the right shoes, and above all, wear it all with confidence. Start with one or two of these tricks and watch how small changes make a huge difference in your everyday style. Remember, fashion isn't about following every trend, it's about feeling good in what you wear and expressing yourself creatively. With these simple styling tricks, you can elevate your wardrobe, feel more confident, and turn everyday outfits into something extraordinary.